to the battery alternator test. Battery test, let's do that one. So it's telling you all the prerequisites that you have to do in the car in order for it to work properly. Vehicle can't be moving, parked and all that stuff. So I'm going to click yes, that's fine. Now it's asking me to turn off the engine, so I'm going to do that. Engine is off. Turn on the headlights. Okay. Actually, headlights were on. Yeah, there you go. Headlights are on. Okay, continue. And now we just gotta wait 20 seconds. I'm not really sure if this is the best way to test your battery. It will definitely show you if your battery is really, really bad. Because if your battery drops a lot of voltage in 20 seconds of the headlights being on with the engine off, you definitely have a problem. But I can't say that this is a very definitive test, at least, not in my opinion. Of course, I'm not an expert, but all right, start the engine. All right, so it says battery status good. Like I said, not 100% sure how just that test would determine the properties of the battery, but there you have it. We also have the alternator test, so we're going to do that one. Press enter. So that says engine has to be running and at normal temperatures, which it is. Now we're going to raise the RPMs to 2000, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so now it's determining if it was all good. And it looks like it was within specifications. All right.